Hi guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a little while since I filmed, but today I have a super exciting video I wanted to share with you guys. So I bought a new camera. It just came in the mail. I just opened the box. I haven't seen anything or touched anything yet. So I'm super excited. I wanted to get a new vlogging camera, or just get a vlogging camera, since I have a bunch of exciting things that I really want to vlog, and I also just find vlogging super enjoyable. So there will definitely be a bunch of vlogs coming on this channel today, or upcoming on this channel. So yeah, today's video is just going to be me unboxing everything that came in this, that came with my camera. And so without further ado, I guess let's just get into the video. Okay guys, so I ordered this camera off of Walmart. They were actually having a really good sale, and I will try to remember to link down below where exactly I bought this camera specifically and the stuff that came with it. But I guess I'm just gonna start unboxing things. So the first thing up top is a camera bag. So this is the 123 Pro, I think, and it's just a camera carrying case. Yeah, it's just, I think, 123 Pro. And so it comes with a little pouch on the side and a handle on top so you can carry it. And then the inside looks like this. So that's actually super roomy, and it comes with a little carrying strap. So that case will be really awesome to use, and especially because then I have a good place to store the camera. So there's the bag that came with it. So then it came with the starter cleaning kit, and this includes a mini tabloid tripod, lens cleaning fluid, cleaning cloth, 2 universal screen protectors, and 5 cotton swabs. So that's awesome that there's screen protectors in here for the camera. So this will be awesome to have. And then one thing that I love about this one is it came with 2 16GB SD cards, which are always awesome. Then you won't run out of room on your camera. Then it came with a 123 Pro SD card case, I believe is what that is. Okay, and then there's the Vivitar, I think this is a dust cleaning thing, but it kind of looks like what you use on babies, up their nose or whatever. That's my initial first impression of it. But I think you just blow dust out of your camera with this. And then this is the Vivitar, I think this is a cleaning pen. I think that's what it was on the website. If I can get it open. And so I'm pretty sure it's just dual-ended brushes. Yeah, so it comes with, so it looks like it comes with a brush cleaning kit that's dual-ended or something. Oh, there we go. So you just take this and you can slide it up. So that's really nice. Okay, and then the next thing that I see is this thing. I think, let's see. This is the 123 Pro brand as well. And it looks like what you do is you put your SD card in this end, and then you put this HDMI thing in your computer, or USB thing. And so that way it'll read your memory card. So if you don't have a SD card slot in your computer, that would be really good as well. And I'm saving the camera for last, but then it looks like it came with a tripod, and I looked at the picture of this and it looked kind of like it was cheap, so I'm definitely going to buy something a little different. And I'm also going to buy a car mount so that I can vlog while I'm driving, but it looks like it's pretty cheapy, so I think I'm going to get a new one. But that is also nice though, that it does come with something to use like this. And now for the star of the show, the camera. So I got the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. this camera is what literally like every YouTuber uses to vlog basically, and I've heard it's such a good like reliable camera, and I've really done a lot of research into it, and so I decided that was the camera I wanted. So I guess I'm just going to open it up. So that's what it's looking like right now. So let's see, I think this is hooks up to your charger. And then you have the manual user guide, and then you have the battery. Wow, that battery is really, really small. That's a small battery compared to my DSLR. This is really small compared to that battery. Then we have the charger. That's a lot smaller too compared to my DSLR one. Okay, but it comes with the charger as well. And then I think this is like a wristlet strap that you can attach to your camera. Yeah, that's what that looks like. And then we have the actual camera itself. Oh, it's so pretty. So guys, this is what the camera looks like. Oh, it's really pretty. So yeah, this is my Canon G7X Mark II. And the one thing that I loved about this camera is the flip up screen. So that way, like when you're recording and like vlogging, you can vlog like this, so you can actually like see yourself in this, which is awesome. And not only can it go up, but you can like point it down a little bit, and then like you can angle this too, which is really cool. So that is one thing that I really loved about this camera. And so I'll give you guys a better close-up of this camera here in a little bit, but I am so excited. So I think let's try seeing if we can pop this battery in. Usually, depending on, like usually most cameras batteries will come a little charged, so it looks like you open the battery compartment right here, so you just slide this to open it, and then it opens. So need to figure out which way this battery goes in. Okay guys, so I think I finally figured out how to put the battery in. So I just popped in the SD card, and now I'm going to try this out. So I'm going to switch over to the G7X. So I'm going to turn it on, and it looks like it's telling me to set the date and time really fast. So I'm going to hurry and do that, and then I'll switch over to the G7X. Okay guys, so now I'm on my G7X, and this is also the G7X microphone on this camera. But guys, the quality on this looks so good. I'm looking at the viewfinder for just a few seconds, and this quality looks so good. I'm so happy. Just keep in mind, I have the ring light on just a little bit, but it's not by much. I've been letting most of like the natural light come through, but oh, this is seriously the coolest thing ever. I am so in love with the quality. Just, I mean, looking at this, the quality is amazing. And I've heard like people do samples with like the audio and stuff, so I'm hoping that the audio is really good on this. But oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this camera, and I really can't get over how good the quality is. So guys, be super excited to see vlogs coming from me here within the next little while. This camera looks amazing, and I'm just so excited that I was actually able to get this for myself. So I'll make sure to add the link below where I purchased it, because I think I got this camera around about $630, including a 3-year insurance. But that was with like all of this stuff over here that's like on my bed. So yeah, this is a really good deal. And so if you guys want this camera, I'll make sure to include it down below. But yeah, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel down below so you don't miss any more videos. And yeah, so I guess I'm gonna hopefully try filming more for you guys, because I miss you guys so much. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye!